Hi, hello. This is Anup here, and in this video, what we are going to see is a comparison between 1702 and the latest release of SCCM CB 1706. Okay, so on your right hand side, you can see 1702 version, and on your left hand side, you can see 1706 version. So I have two virtual machines over here. Okay, so I'm going to go through that. Okay, in this first part we are going to see the console GUI changes, okay, if there is any or not. Okay, so I'm in assets and complaints of both the versions, assets and complaints 1706 and 1702. Okay, assets and complaints, complaint settings, complaint settings. Conditional access, company resources, okay, endpoint protection, okay. So no, from a GUI perspective, nothing much changed in the console 1706 and 1702. I can't see any new nodes or something like that in this. Okay. Okay, now we are in monitoring. Monitoring, it's from overall perspective, I think it's almost same. We will go through each tabs. Alerts are same between the versions. Reporting, if I see reporting, it's same. Hierarchy, site system, okay, it's same. Client status, okay, client status is also same. Distribution status, no changes over here. Security, device threat protection, that's same. Complaint settings, okay, complaint settings is also same. So nothing much changed from a GUI perspective in the monitoring workspace. We are in software library, and as you can see, there's a GUI change over here in the 1706 version. You can see the scripts. Okay, so using this we can deploy the PowerShell scripts to SCCM clients directly, and it's almost real time. We'll check whether there is any other changes in application management. Application management, it's same. Software updates is same. Operating system, I think it's same. There's no GUI changes. Windows servicing, Windows 10 servicing. So Windows update for business policies. So this is a new policy introduced in 1706 version SCCM CB. Okay, and there's no changes in Office 365 client management. Okay, there are two changes over here. One is script got introduced, and Windows update for business policies got introduced in 1706 version. Okay, now we can go to administration, and in administration updates, there is no GUI changes. I can't see any GUI changes. Okay, the position is a bit changed over here. Site configuration. Security is same. Migration is same. I hope. Yep. Okay. Now we can go to features and have a quick look at new features got introduced in 1706 version. So as you can see on the right hand side, there are only 21 features, 21 features. Okay. And if you look at the left hand side, 1706, there are 24 features, and 3 are new. Okay, so one is create and run scripts, so that is one of them, and surface driver updates, that is the second one, and the third one is PFX create. So these are the 3 new features got introduced in SCCM CB 1706. Have you faced any replication kind of issues during in-console update? There is a new tool introduced in 1706 version, that is called CM update reset tool. Okay, so that will help us to remove the problematic updates from in-console. Okay, so this is very useful tool actually. So this got introduced in 1706 version of SCCM CB. So as you can see on right hand side, this tool is not available in 1702 version. Okay. Okay, there are some other improvements like peer caching. Okay, so client peer cache started supporting Express installation files for Windows 10 and Office 365 in 1706 version. That support was not available in 1702 version. So we will check the configuration item wizard 1706 and 1702. Okay. Android for work. Device settings, password, work profile, and if I go to password, okay, there's nothing much changed over here in the password, but if I go to work profile, probably I can see something. Okay, so there are some wording changes over here, as you can see. Prevent any sharing across the boundary. So default sharing restrictions. Application apps in work profile can handle apps in personal. Okay, it's more standardized, the wordings. So that is good. Okay, if I go back to general. If I say supported platform, same, so I will select Windows 10. Next, selected password device store Microsoft Edge, then password. Okay, configured, required. Okay, failing attempts, ideal password complexity. I can't see anything changed over here. It's almost same. Okay. devices. Yeah, a lot of changes, a lot of things included in 1706 version. Okay, as you can see over here, regional setting modification, store. If I look at store, there are a lot of things included in store. Again, store originated app launch, auto update app from store. Yeah, there are some improvements or additional options enabled in Microsoft Edge control as well. So this is the compliance policy in 1706 and 1702. Okay, so we'll check Intune managed clients first. What are the changes? Supported platform. We'll select all. There's nothing much changed in the supported platform stuff. Rules, if I go to rules, condition, so as you can see the list is lengthier on 1706. Required password type, so that is the new one. I think required password type is not there in 1702. So numeric, alphanumeric, and there are a lot of granular options in 1706. That is really nice to have. And block USB debugging is not there in 1702, but it's there in the 1706 version. This is basically for Android devices. And block apps from unknown sources, this is also not there in the 1702 version on the right hand side, but on the left hand side you can see it's available on 1706. So this is good stuff. Okay, application management. So there are two things in application management, as I mentioned before. Windows update for business policy, so that is something new. 1706 different policies, post update, feature updates, and post quality updates, install updates from other Microsoft products. Okay, so this is nice actually. So this is for Windows update for business, the updates which are directly coming from internet. Okay, that is good. And another thing is script, so you can add PowerShell scripts directly from SCCM console and deploy to a collection. Okay, something new, and this is almost real-time deployment of PowerShell scripts to all the machines. So for this we need the approval process, we need to follow the approval process. Okay, the monitoring, you can see the script status. So this is newly introduced in 1706 version. This is not there in 1702 version. Okay, apart from that, there are some things introduced like Surface driver management in 1706 version, but it's not available in 1702. And for Surface driver management, we need to have all the SUPs in with server 2016. So that is the prerequisite. So